Alright, this is another tiles problem. I want you to try to draw this out and work it out, and then after you've tried it, I'll show you the answer, okay? So try this one and push pause on the video until you've got it written down. Ready, set, go. Okay, I hope you had enough time. Let's draw these out just like we did our other tiles. So we've got 2x squared to start out with. So I'm going to draw in two big boxes and label those as x squareds. We've got 1x next, right? Sneaky 1. So I'm going to draw on one long tile, label that just as x. And we've got minus 4 of the regular numbers. So I'm going to draw in 4, 2, 3, 4. And since they're negative, so I'm going to put minus signs in each of them. Now, this time we're subtracting. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of this underneath. So I've got x squared and I have negative 4x's, so 2, 3, 4, and these are negative x. And then I have 1 left over, and it's positive. Now, be careful when we're subtracting, it's like adding the opposite. So x squared minus x squared, that part's easy. So those goes away and I have 1x squared left over. Now move on to your x's. I have 1x. I need to take away 4 negative x's. Well, if I took away 4 negative x's, I would have to have 4 more positive x's, right? Because those would be 0. So now I can take away those 4, 2, 3, 4, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. And they're positive, so it's plus 5x. Then I had 4 negatives. I need to take away 1 more. Well, I don't have anything to take away there, so I'm going to add in a negative x. So I can take away the positive. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negatives, so it's minus 5. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do this just algebraically. We're not going to use the tiles. So find the sum or difference of each. Let's get this first one on number 6. 4x squared y squared plus 6x squared y squared. And let's go straight down. 4 plus 6 is 10, so it's 10x squared y squared. Move on to your next terms. I got 5xy plus 8xy. 5 plus 8 is 13. So it's 13xy. Negative 3xy squared plus 3xy squared. That is 0. Now we don't really need this 0, so our final answer is just 10x squared y squared plus 13. Excuse me, put too many ones there. xy. I want you to try this one. Push pause on the video, push play after you've answered it, okay? Push pause now. Alright, so we've got 11m squared minus 5m squared. We're just going to subtract straight down. Now really, we're subtracting this polynomial or this trinomial from this trinomial, right? This one from that one. But if we have all the terms lined up, we can just go straight down. 11 minus 5 is 6. 2 minus negative 6. So keep, change, flip, right? Becomes 2 plus 6, which is 8m. Negative 11 minus negative 17 is negative 11 plus 17, which will give us positive 6 left over. So there's my answer. Now, if they're written sideways, you have a couple options. You could rewrite this to where it's underneath, or you can just add or subtract and just be careful as you're going. So I'm going to do the first one where I just rewrite it. So 3a squared. Do I have any a squareds over here I'm adding? No, I don't. 3ab, so that's going to be plus a 0, right? And then we have a 4ab, so we're going to add 4ab. And then plus 6b squared. And now let's just add straight down. 3a squared plus 0 is 3a squared. 3ab plus 4ab is 7ab. Negative b squared plus 6b squared, that's a negative 1. Negative 1 plus 6 is 5. Now, I want you to try this. You can either add this sideways or straight up and down is your choice. Ready, set, go. All right, so on this one, I'm just going to go side to side. So 5y squared minus 2y squared. 5 minus 2 is 3, so we start out with 3y squared. Next one, I've got a 7y and a 4y. So 7y minus negative 4y. Keep it, change it, flip, right? It's going to make that adding, so that's 11y. And then 8 minus 3 will give us 5 at the end. So you can go sideways, or you can go up and down. It is your choice when they're written like that. We're going to stop the video here. We've just got a few more things for the notes.